getting kind of crazy now.
Dear Grandma, I'm having so much fun today. He's going to have these computers figured out in no time.
What are we downloading now? Whoa.
I see Daddy pushing these white buttons all the time. I don't get what it's all about.
It's covered in drool.
I know. Isaac, look up here. Look at Mom. Hi, Pico.
Not right now, Mom. I'm on the computer.
Yeah, I'm busy. I got some work to do. Yeah.
Who are we sending an email to? Is that HY? Oh, yeah, I don't have them in my